You might be wondering, how can I make sure ketamine therapy truly benefits me without any downsides? If that's you, you are in the right place. Today, I will share 7 crucial ways to help you avoid ketamine therapy derailing your life and instead make it a powerful, positive part of your healing journey. I'm Dr. Ko from Reset Ketamine in Palm Springs, California. Ketamine therapy can be incredibly transformative, but it's essential to approach it thoughtfully. So let's dive into 7 key factors that can make all the difference in your experience. Number 1, your personal desire for ketamine therapy. All right, first things first. Ketamine therapy should be your choice. Sometimes people feel pressure from loved ones or even specialists to pursue this treatment. But it's a journey that requires both mental and emotional readiness. This really isn't something you should do because others want you to do it. It's about your personal commitment to the process. And without that, the experience may be unfulfilling. Please be sure that it's a decision you genuinely want for yourself. Number 2, choosing the right clinic. Not all ketamine clinics are the same. Some are trauma and psychedelically informed, meaning that they understand that ketamine therapy can be an intense, often emotional experience with non-ordinary states of consciousness. These clinics will create these supportive environments that can guide you through the process and help you integrate what you learn. However, other clinics may focus solely on physical safety and necessarily won't dive as deeply into the psycho-spiritual effects. Choose a clinic that sees you as a whole person, not just as a patient. Number 3, building a supportive network. Having a supportive network can make a huge difference. This might include friends, family, or healthcare professionals who are encouraging and understanding of your journey. Research shows that positive, uplifting activities like playing simple games after treatment can make the effects of ketamine last longer. Also, emotional support is priceless. So surround yourself with people who support your healing and have your back. Of note, if you lack that support, you can consider working with an integration specialist who can help guide you along the way. Number 4, understanding medical suitability. Your safety is the top priority. Make sure you are aware of any medical conditions that could interfere with ketamine therapy. Really being honest about your medical history, your medication list, allergies, experience with your clinic is crucial. And remember, it's okay to ask a ton of questions. Your health and well-being should always come first, and you deserve to feel safe. Number 5, being financially prepared. Unfortunately, ketamine therapy can be costly, and some insurances do not cover ketamine infusion therapy, saying it's too experimental. There is an intranasal form called Spravato, which might be covered by your insurance, but ketamine infusions often are not. This means the financial strain can be significant if your treatments continue over a long period of time. So being prepared financially helps you focus on healing without the added stress. Make sure you're in a good place before committing to ongoing treatments. Number 6, setting realistic expectations. It's natural to hope for quick, dramatic changes, but keep in mind that ketamine therapy affects everyone differently. Some people experience rapid improvements, and for others, the process can take significantly longer. Remember, responses can vary, and the type of clinic you choose will impact your experience. Trust the journey and remember that meaningful change often takes time. Finally, number 7, preparing for and integrating the experience. Ketamine therapy isn't just about the infusion itself. The real growth happens when you take the time to prepare for each session, and afterward, work to integrate what you have learned. This might mean journaling, talking to a therapist, a coach, practicing mindfulness, physical activity, or engaging in creative activities like making music or art. Preparing your mind and reflecting afterward really helps embed the experience into your life, making the therapy more impactful. So in conclusion, those are the 7 key ways to ensure ketamine therapy benefits you and fits into your life positively. Remember, successful therapy isn't just about the treatment, it's about a holistic approach that includes your mindset, your support network, and setting realistic expectations. Really appreciate you watching. Please remember to subscribe for more insights on ketamine therapy and mental health, and I will see you in the next video.